is iPhone 18 Pro. Apple's next big iPhone event is getting closer, and this year's launch could be very different from what we have seen before. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to be announced in September 2026, but the exact event date has not been confirmed by Apple yet. According to recent reports, Apple could hold its iPhone 18 Pro launch event on Tuesday, September 8th or Wednesday, September 9th. Right now, September 9th is looking like a strong possibility. The reason is simple. September 7th is Labor Day in the United States, so Apple may prefer to hold the event one day later instead of immediately after the holiday. If Apple chooses September 9th, we could see the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and Apple's first foldable iPhone introduced at the same event. And this year could be especially interesting because Apple is reportedly changing its iPhone launch strategy. The regular iPhone 18 is not expected to arrive in September. Instead, reports suggest Apple could launch the standard iPhone 18 and other non-Pro models in 2027. Now, what happens after the event? Apple normally starts taking pre-orders a few days after the announcement, followed by the official release around a week later. For the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, current reports are pointing towards September 12th for pre-orders and around September 18th for the first customer deliveries. However, these dates are still rumors, so Apple could change the schedule before the official announcement. But the launch date is not the only interesting part. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to come with Apple's new A20 Pro chip, reportedly built on a 2nm process. This could bring better performance while also improving power efficiency. Apple is also rumored to make the dynamic island smaller, giving the display a cleaner look and more screen space. But one of the biggest camera upgrades could actually be exclusive to the iPhone 18 Pro Max. According to the latest leak, the Pro Max could get a new variable aperture main camera, while the smaller iPhone 18 Pro may not get this feature. A variable aperture would allow the camera to control how much light enters the lens. This could give the iPhone 18 Pro Max more control over exposure, low-light photography, background blur, and depth of field. If this leak turns out to be true, the Pro Max won't just be a bigger version of the iPhone 18 Pro. It could have a real camera advantage over the smaller Pro model. The latest leaks suggest that Apple could introduce three main colors for the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max: dark cherry, light blue, and silver. Dark cherry is expected to be the standout color this year, giving the Pro models a darker and more premium look. But perhaps the biggest surprise could be Apple's first foldable iPhone. The rumored iPhone Ultra could be introduced alongside the iPhone 18 Pro models, although its availability may not be exactly the same as the regular Pro models. So, if the current reports are correct, we are only a few weeks away from Apple's biggest iPhone event of 2026. The most likely date right now is September 9th, looking like a very strong possibility. Of course, Apple still needs to officially announce the event. So what do you think? Would you buy the iPhone 18 Pro Max as soon as pre-orders open, or would you wait for the reviews first? And if Apple's foldable iPhone Ultra is actually announced, would you choose that instead? Let me know in the comments.